If you just got your dbrand Joy-Lock Replacement Kit, relax. This is going to be easy. Note that your kit comes with 3 elements: dock adapter friction pads, a charging port buffer skin, and a set of Joy-Lock grips. Let's start with the grips. Unlike the previous design, these new grips are engineered to completely eliminate the unexpected Joy-Con detachment. Once installed, you'll be able to hold your Switch 2 however you like without worrying about accidental detachment. Installation is simple. First, detach the Joy-Cons from your Switch 2 and remove the existing controller grips. Next, grab your new Joy-Lock grip. Insert the controller into the bottom portion as shown. Now, finish wrapping it around your Joy-Con. You'll need to lift it just enough to clear the newly designed top lip. Next up are the dock adapter friction pads. These friction pads secure your dock adapter in place, making it much easier to undock your Switch 2 one-handed. Start by peeling one of the friction pads off the clear backing film. Next, locate the highlighted area on your dock adapter. This is where we'll be applying the first friction pad. When aligning the pad, orient it so that the ribs are vertical. Once it's in the correct position, press firmly to secure it in place. Repeat this process on the opposite side. When installing the dock adapter, you'll experience some friction. This is normal. Once both friction pads are installed, undocking with one hand is easy. Just hold the dock steady while lifting your Switch 2. Finally, let's cover the charging port buffer skin. The charging port buffer skin has a set of built-in instructions printed on the sheet itself. If you're unable or unwilling to read, we'll show you how to install it. Before you start, there is no need to remove your kill switch. Begin by removing the skin from the 3M paper. Line it up around the charging port. It only fits one way. Once lined up, apply firm pressure to secure the skin in place. An extra skin is included, just in case you f*** it up on your first try. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.